Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil, and today I will show you what is Microsoft Clipchamp and how to use it. So basically, those who are not aware about it, Microsoft Clipchamp is a video editing software built by Microsoft, and it's very easy to understand. And those who want to do some basic video editing like me, without any special effects and all, then you can do it from here. It's very easy, and this is the interface. By the way, if you open the Microsoft Store, you will get it. It's free of cost. You don't have to do it anything. You have to just add your account, a Microsoft account over here, and you are good to go. And all your projects will be stored in a cloud, because there is option to store in a cloud or in your local drive. So if you want your copy to be stored in a cloud, then it will stored in your cloud, otherwise in a local, in both the sites. But it's very easy. Those who want to do some cropping or doing some little, means not the very advanced level of video editing, then that particular person can go for it. And it's available, yeah, and it's available on Microsoft site. You don't have to do it anything. You have to just install it from the Microsoft Store. So if you click on a new video, so this is the basic video. Okay, so it's loading right now, because you have again need active connection, internet connection, then only it will open. And this is the interface which will appear initially. On the left hand side, you will get multiple things like media, record, create. Again, from here you can also do a recording also, but I prefer OBX because this is one of the best tool for the video editing in the Windows side. So yeah, let's say I have some random videos. So if you want to open it, you can open it from here. I have in my videos 24. Okay, currently 24 open. Yeah. So from here, depend upon the length of your video, it will load. And again, from here you can add multiple media files. So, and to give you overview, or if you want to share this particular file or want to make a backup, you can do it from here. So let's wait for that because it's currently loading, because file is little high on my side because I recently recorded. And then I will show you the different things that you can do, basically the cropping and all this thing at initial level. Okay, so our video is added successfully or loaded successfully in our Clipchamp. Well, now if you want to add it, how to add it? Just you have to drag and drop, plus that's it. Or you can just click on a plus icon, it will add it automatically. Now if your video has a sound, it will show, and you can do a sound setting accordingly. Just select your clip, and here is the video. So from here you can adjust your volume. You can make it as a 200% or 100% according to your need. Or if you want to if you are recording separately your voice, then you just have to level it to the 0, and or otherwise you can detach the audio also, okay, if required. Again, fade and all these things you can do it from here. Let's say if you want to crop particular portion of your video, or do some if you want to crop some particular portion of your video, then let's say till here, what I don't want here. Okay, so let's say till here I want to crop it. So I'll just click on this icon, scissor icon, and then from here your videos will split into two. Then you can just click on a delete, and your videos will be deleted. Again, you have to just go over here, and you can add to the initials. Otherwise it will from here it will start from blank, and then like this. So you have to adjust the timeline basically. Okay, from here you can adjust the timeline. Again, if you want to do some minor little cuts, okay, and for that you want to expand your video, then you have to click on a plus icon. Then your videos will be your frames will be expanded, and then you can do a minor cuts. Okay, and let's say if you want to hide or crop particular section, let's say if you are doing a, let's say, power apps video, and if you want to hide the URLs and all this thing, then how to do it, I will show you that. So I think I have, okay, so this is my section, right? So I will crop it from here, and now this particular section I don't want to show the URL and all this thing. So how to do it? So for that, what you have to do is you have to click on the here crop section, and from here you can adjust. If you want to crop it from top, you can do it, or if you want to crop it from left, you can do it. I just want to crop it from the top only, and then you have to just click on the icon, and then you are good to go. Now it will show only this particular section. Browser and at the top level sections are removed, like Windows, and that browse URL thing is now it's not appearing because we crop it. Okay, and let's say if you want to because I don't want to see the people what I'm browsing over here, so what you have to do is you can add things like icons, content library like this. Okay, so from here what you have to do is, okay, I already did it. I will delete this. I will show you from here. Okay, let's say for this particular section I want to add this thing, right? This I want to hide this thing. So what you have to do is you have to just drag this and drop it over here, or you have to just click on, yeah, just drag it, and now you can change the color also for this particular thing or this particular rectangle. First, if you want to expand it, you can just you have to go to the end and you have to just expand it. This is how you can expand it if you are not aware about it. And let's say I don't want to show this in a this particular color. I don't want a different color like a black color or something like that. I just did it, and I have to then again you can adjust your shape, right? And you are good to go. Okay, PC is running on low state. Okay, so this is how you can add the shapes and all this thing. Now let's consider your video is almost done. Okay, because currently if I render all this thing, then it will take time. So for time purpose, let's say I just drag this particular section. Okay, let's consider this is my final video. Okay, and if you want to export it, how to export it? You have a button at the top. You have to just click on export. Now you will see the option 4K. For that you have to pay some money. Okay, otherwise 1080 high quality is enough. So I mostly did 1080. And if you want to store this particular project in the cloud, you can do it. Otherwise, if you don't, then you can store it in it will directly store it in your download section or particular section in your computer, or otherwise there will be a separate automatically it will download it in your download folder. If not, then from here, if you see save to your computer, from here you click on it and it will directly download it. Okay, so don't worry, and let's wait for it because it's a small seconds of video. So, and from here again there is a option, right, mini export tracker. So from here you can check the progress, how many percentage it completed, right? So yeah, isn't it cool? So it's very easy, and you can directly upload it from YouTube. These are multiple things that they have added, but the main thing is to edit the video, right? Your video is ready. Let's see, I have not clicked on it. Let's see it's downloaded or not. If you see, this is the project. I directly opened it, and let's see. Yeah, so it's directly available on my download folder. Okay, but let's say in your case, if it's not available, then here you have to just click on it, save to your computer, and on which particular section you have to store it, just mention it or just address it, and or rename it if you want to, and just click on save. Okay, and you are good to go. So this is how you can easily edit the video from this Clipchamp, and it's very easy, guys, and you don't have to pay any money. Okay. So if you are trying to edit any videos, then do consider this Clipchamp, and it's free of cost. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you liked, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.